guys, Brandon Barrett here. Got the Weber grill out today. We're going to show you that there is more to life than just. I'm going to show you how to cook the perfect beer can chicken. Yellow mustard, always yellow mustard. And next, we rub the Barrett seasoning on just about everything. Really load it on there. Always, always, always make sure we are only using charcoal and no lighter fluid. Lighter fluid kills your taste. Use a chimney starter instead. Gotta add a little bit more in here. I prefer Kingsford Charcoal. I think it burns better, it burns steadier, it burns hotter, and it's way more predictable. Try to do this without getting water on the charcoal here. Fill it about halfway full. That's going to give you all the humidity you need for a nice moist chicken. Alright, now that we have the water tray in, the charcoal's ready, everything's good to go, we're going to add some wood chunks. And I like mesquite wood chunks. I get a big handful and I just kind of split it half on each side. I don't in about 30 minutes. Yeah. Here to your little ash pan. And just kind of clean the ashes up. So it's already starting to smoke. Bones pulled away from the bird. 10 more minutes, it should be done. This right here, folks, that's what you're looking for. 160, 165, bring it in, let it rest. See how those bones are pulled away from the meat? She's ready.